Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best portable air conditioners with wheels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Whynter Arc 14S Portable Air Conditioner. The Whynter Arc 14S portable air conditioner is widely regarded as one of the best portable air conditioners ever made. While many portable ACs struggle with efficiency, noise, or cooling performance, the Arc 14S stands out thanks to its dual-hose design, powerful cooling capacity, and strong dehumidification capabilities. For bedrooms, apartments, home offices, garages, and medium to large rooms up to about 500 square feet, it remains one of the benchmark portable AC units in the market. Portable air conditioners are generally less efficient than window units, but among portable models, the Arc 14S performs exceptionally well. The dual-hose configuration reduces wasted energy and helps maintain cooling output more consistently. While it won't match a high-efficiency mini-split system, it ranks near the top of the portable AC category. The Whynter Arc 14S remains one of the strongest portable air conditioners available because it solves the biggest weakness of most portable ACs: inefficient single-hose operation. Its dual-hose design, excellent cooling performance, strong dehumidification, and proven reliability make it a category leader even years after its introduction. And number 2. LG Portable Air Conditioner. Our top-rated portable air conditioner stands out for how quickly it cools down a room. During testing, we turned it on and almost immediately began feeling a cold blast of air with very little runtime. The AC noticeably brought down the temperature in just a few minutes, plus it did so quietly. According to LG, the unit operates at just 44 decibels on its lowest setting. The unit has 3 modes: cooling, fan, and dry. Cooling and fan are pretty straightforward, while dry actually turns the unit into a dehumidifier. So, when you don't actively need it, feel free to have it run in moist spaces like your laundry room or garage. The louvers on the AC unit can be set to move up and down on their own. This actually made a pretty notable difference in full room air circulation and helped get rid of hot air that sat near the ceiling. Setup was also quite easy, as the air conditioner was almost fully assembled right out of the box. Even connecting the hose and slider into the window was intuitive and took less than 5 minutes total. With the 4 wheels and very basic setup, we were rolling it from room to room in no time. And number 3. Midea Duo MAP14S1TBL. The Midea Duo MAP14S1TBL stood out during testing for cooling a hot, humid Florida living room faster and more quietly than every other model we tested, except for our quietest pick, the LG LP1419 IVSM, below. Our tester also appreciated small but thoughtful details other units didn't include, like foam pads that stick directly to the back of your window trim for better insulation. Other models provided just basic foam strips for sealing the windowsill. After about 2 hours of running this portable air conditioner, our tester recorded a 3-degree temperature drop, from 79 to 76 degrees, at about 10 feet away from the unit. She could also feel the cool air at the end of a hallway over 20 feet away. At the unit's lowest setting, 60 degrees, the air felt ice cold, noticeably cooler than what competing models produced. We also liked the unit's cylindrical fan, which automatically rotates to circulate air more evenly throughout the room rather than blowing straight ahead. Plus, our tester reported that it used less electricity than any other portable AC she tested. And number 4. SereneLife SLPAC10. While the SereneLife SLPAC10 doesn't have fancy features or smart connectivity, our tester was surprised by how well it performed during testing. She found it to be an effective, budget-friendly option that's a great fit for smaller living spaces or bedrooms. Despite being rated for rooms up to 450 square feet, when our tester ran this compact unit in her 400 square foot Florida living room, it lowered the temperature from 76 degrees to 73 degrees in about 90 minutes. Although that's not a huge drop, she clearly felt the cooling within about 10 feet directly in front of the unit, where she recorded the biggest temperature difference. At a closer distance, around 3 feet away, The breeze felt consistently cool and comfortable. One reason the SereneLife stood out was how easy it was to set up. Installation only took our tester about 10 minutes, which was faster than almost any other model she tested, and its relatively lightweight build, just over 60 pounds, and 4 caster wheels made the process painless. The hose and window panel felt a little flimsy at first, but the panel has a locking mechanism that held it securely in place once adjusted. The included remote also worked well, and our tester was able to consistently control the AC from up to 30 feet away. And number 5. Costway Portable Air Conditioner. If you're short on space or simply need localized cooling, this Costway model is a solid choice. The compact size made setup easy. Unboxing, positioning and hooking it up took only a few minutes. The unit proved to be effective at cooling small areas during testing. Sitting about 3 feet away, the breeze felt comfortable and steady. And around 10 feet away, our tester measured the biggest temperature drop. That said, if you want a unit that can rapidly chill a large room, you'd be better off with a more powerful model. It's worth noting this unit has a few unusual design choices. First off, the window panel inserts are designed for side-to-side sliding windows, and the instruction manual doesn't show how to install them in windows that open vertically. While our tester tried to rotate the insert horizontally, her window was too wide for a single insert and too narrow for 2. Ultimately, she had to custom cut the panel with a saw, as scissors weren't strong enough.